Hello everyone. Today I am here with the book Lectures on Administrative Law by C.kTakwani. This is the 7th edition. This is the latest one, and this is the EBC is the publisher. So somebody was asking me which is the best book for administrative law. So I want to share from what I've read, and for anybody, any of my students or anybody who wants to refer, wants to have an idea. So this is Lectures on Administrative Law by C.kTakwani, and this is the 7th. As you can see, this is the 7th edition. Prior to this there was 6th edition, but this one is the latest one. And now let me show you the book. This is the preface. Now let us see the contents. Introduction. Basic constitutional principles, classification of administrative actions, delegated legislation, general principles, delegated legislation, controls and safeguards, natural justice, administrative tribunals, judicial review of administrative discretion, judicial and other remedies, chapter number 9. The 10th chapter is liability of government. And the 11th chapter is public operations. Now let me show you some of the content of the book, the fonts. So personally, anybody who is a student of administrative law, who is thinking to buy, which book should he buy? Let me share my personal experience with this book. I have read this whole book, and I personally refer this book, and I must say that I fell in love with this book, and it is one of the most beautiful books that I've read. And the great thing about this book is that it will help you to clear your concepts, and I think more than clearing your concept, it will form concepts, because administrative law is all about concepts. And whoever is a student of law, etc., or for some other exams, whoever is doing this preparation. So for all the students and for anybody else who is interested in administrative law, I think, or for understanding law overall, I think I personally refer this book. And the method in which the book is written is really amazing, and it is like storytelling. It's like that was like it builds so much of interest in you that you feel like you want to keep on reading it. So and the font size is perfect, and total 540 pages are there. This is the last page, and then there is bibliography and all. So overall, if you see, everything is given in detail, and and I think personally, I believe that it is one of the most important subjects to understand law of any country. And so if you are thinking about the law book for administrative law, then I think I personally recommend C.kTakwani book. It is one of the most referred book also, I think. There might be other authors also. I've heard about some of the authors like UPD Kesari and all, but I have not been able to see those books. But this book, I can say from my personal experience, is one of the best books in administrative law, and it will, for those who are the students right now, it is like it will not just clear your concept. I think first administrative law is a subject which will create concepts, and those who have been studying constitutional law in their previous years, I think there is a lot of things which are related to administrative law, and administrative law is the subject which will actually clear many things which you must have studied in constitutional law. So after reading this book, you will realize that okay, this is how the things are, this is how stuff is. So I hope this video will help you in making your decision for buying the best book on administrative law. This video is just to help you to make your decision. Overall, I can show you, this is the size of the book, and I personally love this book. I had read this book, so I hope you like the book if you buy it, if you want to buy it. And this is Lectures on Administrative Law, C.kTakwani, 7th edition, Justice D.A. Desai. So regarding case laws and all, yes, plenty of case laws are given for each subject wherever it is necessary, almost everywhere whenever it is required, and everything is explained well in detail. And the method of writing this book is really very very beautiful, and it will build and it will create an interest in you to read it for sure. Thank you.